Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2011 Mathematics Past Question 33. Find the equation of a line perpendicular to line 2y is equal to 5x plus 4, which passes through 4, 2. So we're asked to find the equation of a line perpendicular to what? Line 2y equals to 5x plus 4. Okay, that means we have a line 2y is equal to 5x plus 4. Now I have to find the equation of a line that is what? Perpendicular to it, that is like this. This is the perpendicular line. Now this line here is what? 2y is equal to 5x plus 4. Now for line, let's divide our page into 2. So for line 2y is equals to 5x plus 4, we simply have that what? Y is equals to 5x over 2 plus 2, that is dividing both sides by 2 now. Now this is the equation of the line. So the slope for this line, which is line 2y is equals 5x plus 4. So slope, which is m, is equals to what? 5 over 2. Now this can be gotten if you remember the equation of a line, which says y is equals to mx plus c. So this m here stands for the slope, and which is 5 over 2. So that is the slope m. The slope m, 5 over 2. Now we've gotten the slope for the what? For the straight line. This slope now, because this is the equation of the straight line. Now since we have the slope of the straight line, from this slope of the straight line, we can get the slope of the what? Perpendicular line. Now for the perpendicular line, we can now say that what? The slope of perpendicular line, now let it be m1. Let the slope of perpendicular line be L1, since the slope of the straight line is m. So we can now say that what? M1 is equal to minus 1 all over m. Minus 1 over m. And the m is the slope of the straight line, which is 5 over 2. So we can simply say that what? This is equals to minus 1 all over 5 all over 2. And this is equals to what? Minus 2 over 5. So now this is the slope of the what? This is the slope of the perpendicular line. Remember the question said we should find what? Equation of the perpendicular line. Now the perpendicular line is passing through the point what? 4, 2. So since we've gotten the slope, we can now say that from y minus y1 is equals to m1 into x minus x1. Now the y1 is what? Is the 2. Y1 is equals to 2. That is the point which is passes through, and then the x1 is the what? Is the 4. Is equals to 4. So we can now say that what? Y minus 2 is equals to what? M1, which is the slope, minus 2 over 5 into x minus 4. Into x minus 4. So this will give us what? Y minus 2 is equals to minus 2x all over 5 plus 8 over 5. That's multiplying through the bracket. Minus 2 over 5 times x will give us minus 2x over 5, and minus 2 over 5 times minus 4 will give us what? Plus 8 over 5. Now let's multiply both sides by what? By 5. When we multiply both sides by 5, we'll have that 5y minus 10 is equals to minus 2x plus 8, because the 5 will cancel 5 here and will cancel 5 here, but multiplying y and minus 2 will give us 5y minus 10. Now we will now have 5y is equal to, taking 10 to this side, we'll have minus 2x plus 8 plus 10. So 5y is equals to what? Minus 2x plus 18. 5y is equals to minus 2x plus 18. Now let's transfer everything now to the left hand side. So we have what? 5y plus 2x minus 18 equal to 0. 5y plus 2x minus 18 equal to 0. And that is what? Option B. 5y plus 2x minus 18 equals to 0. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.